We are going to solve the problem 2410 maximum matching of players with trainers, Leetcode problem. So here in this, so let's read the problem first. That you are given zero index array players where the player I represent the ability of I player. You are also given zero index array trainers where trainer J represent the training capacity of jth player. Yeah, so in this question we are given two arrays. The first is players where the player I represent the ability of ith player and trainers where trainer J represent the training capacity of jth player, and the ith player can match with the jth trainers if the ability is less than or equals to the trainer capacity. Additionally, the ith player can match with at most one trainers, and the jth trainer can be matched with at most one player. Okay, so here what it is said that we can match any player with any trainers only if like the ability of player must be less than the training capacity of that trainer. So we can match any player with any trainer only if the training capacity of that trainer is greater than the ability of player. And it is also said here that ith player can be matched with only one trainers, and jth trainer can be matched with at most one player. Means like any player can be matched with but like one like any player can be matched with one trainer, and any one trainer can be matched with one player. So here we have to return the maximum matchings of player and trainer that we can make here. So let us see the first test case here. The first test case is 479 for the players. Okay, so 479, 479 players, and the next one is 8258 for trainers. Okay, 8258 for trainers. Okay, this is actually players, and this is actually trainers. Okay. So here we have to match every player with the trainers, and there are two conditions that we can match any player with only one trainers, and one trainer can also match with only one player. So like we cannot do like this. Okay, like we cannot do like this, something like this. We can match with four with eight and four uh, with this. And okay, we cannot do like this. Okay, so like we have matched four here with eight and four here with five, and we can do matching only if like the training capacity of the trainer is greater than the player. So like we cannot do this. Like what we can do is we can match four with for this case we can match four with uh, for this test case. Okay, for this test case we can match four with five. Okay, okay, four with five, and this with this 8, and I think there is no option left for 9 because like all the trainers are having capacity less than this, so like this player cannot be matched. So for this test case like the answer will be like we can here match, answer is 2. Like we have matched, we can only match two players here. So now let us see some other test case, which is the third one, second one. So the test case is 1 1 1, and so we can, you can see it by seeing only like there are only one trainer, so like only one matching can be done. So like we can match this player with the trainers, or we can match second player with the trainers, or the third one with the trainers. Okay, so let's take some random test case to understand more about the problem. So let's take 1 3 6 8 20. Okay, one more thing we have observed here, like if we sort the array, okay, like if we sort the array, it become very easy for us to find the players and trainers. So let's see here. So like if we sort 479, so it will be remain same. And if we sort this 8 to 5 8, it will become like 8 2 5 8 and 8. So now what we can do here is we can take the first pair and see the first match we can get. So like the like 4 can match with 2 no? Because 2 is lesser than this. We can match 4 with 5 here. We can match. So we will do match here. We will do match here and we will move for this 7. So now we have to check 7 after this only. Okay? So like in here we will check 7 for 8. So, can we match 7 with 8? Yeah, we can match 7 with 8. So we'll match 7 with 8. And 9, can we match 9 with 8? No, we cannot match 9 with 8. So we can have only 2 players here. And now let's take some random test case and we will be taking it in sorted order only. So this is the player error and this is the trainer error. Okay. This is the trainer error. So the trainer error is 6, 9, 10, 20. Let's say this is our trainer array. So let's find out that how many match can we find in this particular problem. So, just a second. Okay, fine. Let us now see the matches. So, like we will first start with the first pair. Like the first pair can match with 3. No, it can yeah, it can match with 3. So we will match it with the 3 and move on to the next pair. So now we will try to match 3 with the 6. So like can we match 3 with the 6? Yeah, we can match 3 with the 6. Yes, so let's match 3 with the 6 here. Can we match 6 with 9? Yeah, we can match. So we will match 6 and 9. Can we match okay? Can we match 8 with 10? Yeah, we can match 8 with 10. So we will do here. Okay, let's change to understand more. Can we match 15 with 12? No, we cannot match because it is lesser. So for 15, we will move forward and check whether whether there exists some trainer that have a training capacity greater than 15. So we will move to 13. No, we cannot match it. Um, we will see for 16. So yeah, we got the match because 16 is greater than 15. So we will match it with this. And for 20, we will now see that we can match 20 with 30. So yeah, we can match 20 with 30. So here, what we can see here, we got how many matches here? Like 3 to 6. So we got 6 matches here for this problem. We got 6 matches. So considerably, it will determine 6 here for this problem. So like, what will be the approach for this problem? You can think of, like somewhat like this. You can take 2 pointers. You can use 2 pointers here. How? Let's look at how we can use 2 pointer here. We can keep one pointer high here. If change is let us replicate it. Leave it for now. Okay. So now, um, so let's take the pointer here. The first one I and the second one J. J here. Okay. So we can use 2 pointer here. So first we will check. We will try to find out the first element that is like the first element in the second array that is greater than this. Okay. So let us change this example little so that you can understand it more. Okay. So remove this part. Okay, fine. So okay, fine. Then let's start with the execution here. So the first pointer of the array I here, and the second pointer is j here. So now we will try to find out the first element that is greater than the ith index of the player array. So we will check like if like this is like greater than 3. So no, it is not. So like we will move rj here. Okay. Like it's 2 greater than 3. No, it is not. We will move rj to 3 actually. Okay. We got the j to 3. So yeah, we got the elements. And now since we got the element, so we will increase our answer to 1. Okay. We got one answer. We got one pair, so we will increase our answer to 1. And now we will move on to the next element because since we got matched for this pair, so now we will move I to the next element, and we will also move this J to the next element. So now we will find the match that whether we can find the match here. Yeah, we can find it. So we will increase our answer to 1. No, it is 2. We will also increase our I and J by 1. Okay. So now I go J equals the next element. Now let us check that this ith element uh, this ith element is greater than is less than this element. So it is. So once again we got one match. So increase our answer by 1. Okay. Now again we are J to here. Similarly, we move G to here, I to here, and J one more index after 9. So now J will reach to the 10, and I will reach to this. So now here can we match 8 with 10? So yeah, we can match because 10 is greater than 8. So we'll also increase our answer by 1 this 4, and we will increase our height pointer by 1, and also the j pointer also the jth pointer by 1. Okay. So now we will see that whether this jth element is greater than or equals to the ith element in the player's array. No, it is not. So we'll move the j further to check whether we get some element which is greater than this or not. So we move our j to here. Whether 13 is greater than 15. No, it is not. So again we will move our j to here. So here we got here now the j element is greater than the ith element. Okay, so we got one answer. So now we will move our answer by 1. We will increase our answer by 1. And now I will increase by 1 and J will also increase by 1. Since J has reached its end, so means there is no element left for the secondary square. We could terminate and we got our final answer as 5. So now let's code for this particular problem here. Okay, so let's code this problem. So let's first declare the size of both the arrays. Okay, let's declare the size of both the arrays. 2 as dot size. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to sort both arrays. So let us sort it. Now let's take two pointer, one is I and one is j. I for the player and j for the trainer. Now we'll run a loop j less than n. Like if I put I goes out of the player, so loop will break, and if j goes out of the trainer, so loop will break. And now for each for the particular player I, okay, we have to check the trainer that is greater than the player of I. So we will create one more window for this for checking it. So j is the and while if the player ability is like less than or if player's ability is greater than trainers. Okay, so this is not our optimal answer. We will move further. Trainers option. We will move C further. Okay. So at this point, let's think if like J goes out of the one, so we will like break the loop here. And if like J is not break here, okay, like if the loop is not break, it means we found one pair of an answer. So Here we give one variable for answer, and here we increasing by one, and since we got one pair, so we will increase I by one and J also by one. And now we will return answer. So now let us run and check. Okay, we got some error here. It's, okay, I don't think you need to let us know. I'm really very sorry for this. Uh, Let us check it. Mm, we have to get this first to get this actually. Because it will get up and we have this. Okay, let us see. So yeah, it has passed the sentence case. Now let us submit and check. So yeah, finally it has passed all the test cases. So thank you everyone. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.